This is NOAA Weather Radio, the 24-hour voice of your National Weather Service. The preceding signal was a test of the public warning and alarms for transmitters in the Florida listening area from Ruskin, Florida. This also tests the same system or specific area messaging coder. The same system will alert only the county or county affected by a particular warning. These tests are conducted each Wednesday between 11 a.m. and noon and again between 6 p.m. and 8 p.m. unless severe weather threatens. This concludes the weekly test. We now return to regular programming. The current time is 11:19 a.m.
They tested at the same time! It activated!
This is NOAA Weather Radio, your 24-hour voice of the National Weather Service. The preceding signal was a test of the public warning and alarm for transmitters in the Florida listening area, originating from Ruskin, Florida. This was also a test of the same system or specific area messaging coder. The same system will alert only the county or counties affected by a particular warning. These tests are conducted.
They tested at the same time, Melbourne and Ruskin.
6 p.m. and 8 p.m. unless severe weather threatens. This concludes our weekly test. We now return to regular programming.